Okay, this is going to be exercise 2.2, upgrading Windows 10, found in the Microsoft Official Academic Course Lab Manual, Installing and Configuring Windows 10, exam 70-698. So we're on Lab 2, which is installing Windows, and exercise 2.2, which is upgrading Windows 10. So in this exercise, we're going to upgrade a virtual machine running Windows 7 to Windows 10. The installation DVD is already placed in the virtual DVD drive. When you need to upgrade from Windows 7 to Windows 8 or 8.1, you can navigate to the Microsoft site, download the tool button, and then launch the download tool to create an installation media to upgrade the PC with older operating systems. Okay, so it wants us to log on to the CL3. So I'm logging on the domain controller and CL3. Now I am a little confused, to be honest, because I went through the setup and everything I see on the setup said to install Windows 10 Enterprise on all of the machines. I'm actually double checking it now, and it doesn't say to load a separate version of Windows. Go ahead and get logged into this one. I'll sign into the domain controller first. And I'm going to click on Other User because I want to sign into a datum here. Alright, so we're on CL3, we're logged in, and we need to go ahead and attach the ISO. See, our DVD drive currently isn't attached. Go ahead and we're going to go here, and Media, DVD, insert disk, 10, open. Okay, so now we have our disk, and we're going to go ahead and double click the D drive. Okay, so normally what you would do is download and install any required updates. For our purposes, we're going to click on Not Right Now. And we're going to uncheck that, and then click on Next. And we'll go ahead and accept the license terms. On the choose what to keep, we're going to answer question number 3. Why can you not keep personal files, apps, and Windows settings? And your answer is right here. So we're going to go ahead and click on Next. So the next question is, which edition of Windows are we installing? Well, we are reinstalling Windows 10 Enterprise. And yes. And this is going to be a 64-bit edition because that's the only ISO that we have. I'm going to pause while we wait for this. Okay, so it's going to install Windows 10 Enterprise Evaluation. We're not going to keep anything, and we're going to go ahead and do install. Now I'll go ahead and pause while we wait for this to do its thing. Okay, so we're going to walk through this process again. And admin. Next. Our standard password. Okay, let's go back and redo the adapter. Okay, this one has 2 connections. Settings. Okay, it has the internal switch, and private network 1. Properties. And properties again. Alright, CL3 is 172.168.0.42 tab 172.160 and 10, and then OK, close this, close this. Adjust time and date. On Eastern. Okay, I'll go ahead and close out of this. And then we want to go into it wants us to go into system, but it never seems to work that way. Let's do something a little bit different. Let's do search. Control panel. Here I'm going to do work group. Change work group name. And we're going to do change LONCL3 domain. It's going to be adatum.com. Still running. Let's minimize this, close this, right click, task manager, more details, services, sorted by name, start, close this, open up the here, network, OK, turn on network discovery, yes, and we're going to close out of this and try this again. My goodness. Okay, let's take a look here. I don't know why my Hyper-V machines insist on shutting down. Okay, I'll go through the same process there. Task Manager. Start. I'll minimize this and try this again. Okay. Let's go back. Seven 2 1 6 0 10. Okay, it sees it. Alright, CL3 should be .42, and it is. Okay, so it sees it. Do restart. Do restart here. Come over here. Restart. Restart. Okay, so both of these have been restarted. Close, close, close. So I'm going to go ahead and restart this machine and resume, pause the recording, and I'll resume as soon as I get restarted. Okay, let's try this again. Okay, that was the problem. I had the wrong switch. Rename. I had two switches on here. Properties. And before I shut it off, once it was off, I removed the second switch, and now it's just a private one. 172.160.42. 172.160 and 10. And I'll just go back and make sure it's there. Okay. Close. Close, close. Okay. Change. LON, CL3, domain, adatum.com. Yay. Okay, so now that we have this box, you're going to take your next print screen, and then we are going to log off of CL3, and that's the end of this exercise. The next video we will go into exercise 2.3, installing the user state migration tool.